This yellow icon marks collection blocks. The items in them are interconnected, and together, they form a collection. This way, it's easier to edit them and keep the design consistent. To add an item to the collection, click on the plus here. Click on the three dots to clone a particular item or to delete one. To move the items within a collection, simply drag and drop them where you'd like. Now, since all the items are interconnected, removing an element in one item will populate to the other items. To edit all the items in the collection at once, enter the settings here. This is where you can change their layout. To align all the elements in all the items, see the content alignment options. What you can do separately for each item is to add a background. Choose a color on an image here. You can also apply automatic coloring with the help of presets. But note that this only works if you set the default background for all the items. Sometimes there may be too many items in the collection. To organize them in a better way, you can turn the collection into a slider or into tabs. Once turned into a slider, the collection will work as a kind of a carousel on your website. You can turn on the autoplay or loop the slides. In tabs mode, you can call each tab differently and customize it further.